Join us as we share with you our favorite way to spend a day at Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's private island. We have visited Coco Cay multiple times, and each time we tend to tweak our plan a little bit. We have went the past couple times with the same plan, and it works really well, so I'm excited to share that with you. So we do get off the ship as soon as it docks and they allow us to get off. The kids are excited, the adults are excited. It's a win-win. So when we get off the ship, we are going to walk down the pier and then we're going to head to the left. We're heading to the Splashaway Bay area first. So when you head to the left, you're going to cross through kind of a bar and then keep walking and you'll pop out right at the Splashaway Bay area. As soon as you get to Splashaway Bay, I definitely recommend grabbing some seats that are in the shade. They tend to go a little bit fast. And then the splash pad area and the climbing area has no height requirement, so everyone can enjoy that area, which is really nice because on the ship Splashaway Bay area, there are different height requirements, so not all kids can do all the things on the Splashaway Bay area. The big kids, including the adults, enjoy going down the slides that they have at Splashaway Bay. There are 3 types of slides, and you do need to be 42 inches or above to do those. As you can see, there's plenty to do for all ages at the Splashway Bay at Coco Cay. We do tend to spend multiple hours here. It allows the kids to be independent and kind of run. If we need to take a break, we can definitely sit in the shade and just watch them have fun. After a couple hours, the kids tend to be done, so we're going to go ahead and head over to our next location. So right here, we're walking that back way through the sand and then the bar. While you're walking through the bar, I definitely recommend getting some water or even a cocktail. So then we're going to head like we are going back to the ship. You're going to see the ships located on your right, but cross over that walkway into the blue section and keep walking. This walkway is going to take you to the tram station. At the tram station, you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the signs because there are different trams and you don't want to get on the wrong one. So we're going to go ahead and go to Chill Beach. So to our left, there will probably be a line forming for the tram, but it really doesn't take that long. I went ahead and marked the map, the route that the tram will be taking to get you to Chill Beach. But you can definitely get on and off at any of the stops that you stop at. If you're like us and know where you're going and know where you want to end up, you just stay on the tram when it stops. People get off, people get on, but you can just stay seated to get where your location is. A question that I get a lot is, do you need to take the tram? No, you absolutely do not need to take the tram. We enjoy the tram better than walking with all the kids through the island or pushing a stroller in the sand. It can be very frustrating. So we just take the tram because it's easier. So as you can see, we have arrived at Chill Beach now. Personally, I just like lounging on the beach, swimming in the water, sitting in a nice beach chair. As you can see, there's plenty of chairs available, plenty of shade. Now, those are all included with your trip to Coco Cay. We did just pass some cabanas if you want something a little more secluded for your group that do come at an additional charge. That yellow building you just saw in front of us is the snack shack. They are going to have funnel cakes and mozzarella sticks there for you. Now, not everyone in my family likes to swim or just relax, so there's lots of different options. So you're seeing the beach volleyball option, and then they're also going to have beach soccer. They're going to have like Connect Four. They're going to have cornhole, basketball. There's lots of options for everybody at this beach, whether you want to relax or be athletic. There's options for everyone in your group at this beach. When you're ready to head back or leave the beach, you just go back to that tram stop, hop on, and it'll take you right back to that tram area that we loaded up on. It's a pretty quick ride back. There's not a lot of stops. we do factor in some extra time to stop at this beautiful pirate ship. We passed it earlier in the day, but we like to end here because we can gauge how little or as much time as we want to stay. So we don't want to be rushing from the beach and be afraid that the ship's going to leave us. So we leave early, give ourselves some time. The kids can just play and run around. We can see them. There's a bar within walking distance if we want to get some drinks, and we can just relax. And then sometimes we have some kids that are just done. They've had enough excitement for the day, so an adult can take them back to the ship, and then an adult can stay with the other kids and just let them have a good time. We hope that this video was helpful in helping you see different parts of the island that are especially catered to families, and that it will help you plan the best day at Coco Cay for your family. If you could just give us a like or even subscribe, we would love to share with you more tips and tricks that we've learned throughout our travels to hopefully make your guys' life a little bit easier or find some fun hidden gems.